Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn about how to get chat on Gmail or Google Mail app. Let's get started. Here I have opened my Gmail, and what we're going to do is clicking on this button on the top left corner of our screen. Then we can click on settings menu right here and choose the account that you want to use to get the chat on Gmail, and I'm going to choose this account. Just simply click on the account, then you have to scroll down your screen until you find chat, and it's right here guys. And don't forget to click on this button to enable the Google Chat on Gmail. Alright, and wait for a moment, it's still loading guys. And to start the chat, you can click on this button guys, like this. Okay guys, that's how we can get chat in Gmail app. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.